Gusto nyo bang maging virtual assistant o mag-transition bilang BA na siguradong may client ka pero wala kang idea kung paano sisimulan ito? Alam nyo ba na merong virtual assistant bootcamp na job guaranteed? Meaning magkakaroon ka ng client or trabaho pagkatapos ng bootcamp. This is one codecamp that offers 1-month bootcamp and 1-month career coaching. Worth it itong BA bootcamp sa halagang 20,000 at may job guaranteed at money back guaranteed to. You just need 2,000 pesos deposit and that is refundable and open din to for installment. So if hindi kayo satisfied sa bootcamp in 1 week or wala pa rin kayong job in 3 months ay babalik nila ng 100% yung perang binayad nyo. At bukod sa BA bootcamp ay meron din silang data analytics bootcamp at meron din silang software engineering bootcamp na worth 60k. So para maka-discount kayo ay gamitin nyo yung code ko at i-fill out nyo yung bootcamp form na ang link ay nasa comment section ng video na to. So like and share this video and follow for more. Peace out!